We got a key fob from a 2022 Mercedes GLC300. This is how you open it up to replace the battery. Flip it over. There's a button here. We're going to press, hold it down with our thumb, and then you're going to remove the emergency key. Okay, it slides right out like that. And once you have it out, you're going to press and hold this button again, and you're going to slide this panel right here. You need to slide this guy up. Okay, it can be kind of hard to get a grip on it, but once you do, it unlocks like that. Okay, this is the unlock button here for this panel here. All right, now the left side of the remote with it, buttons facing down, the battery's held into this holder right here. Get yourself a small tool, and there's a little slot right here. You can pry it out. See how it's starting to come up? I'm trying to do it where the camera can see it. So now, hold on to it very carefully because the battery can fall out the back of it. All right. Off like this. Battery size CR2032, positive sign facing down in the holder like that. Turn it back over like this. When you get your new one, put it back in the holder and just stuff it in there like that. Just push it in there. This is just press fit in there. If you need a battery, check the description box. There's a link that takes you to Amazon where you can pick up some of these batteries really cheap. Now we just get the cover, the back cover, put it on here, slide it down. It should lock. Here it lock like that. Emergency key goes back in, and you're all done. Well, I hope this video was very helpful, and if it was, I'd really appreciate it if you hit that like button or leave me a comment. And if you want to see more Mercedes content, please hit subscribe.